What a beautiful pizza. This is an amazing pizza, guys. This pizza is a thing of beauty. Check out the bottom, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful that got cooked. Amazing. So for this recipe, we're gonna use General Mills All Trumps flour. We're gonna use olive oil. We're gonna use some fresh mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna use the feta cheese that I have left over from my feta cheese pasta video. Beautiful pizza dough, 24-hour fermentation, All Trumps flour. Yep. Alright, step number one, oil. Step number one, we're going to add some oil, fresh mozzarella, feta cheese, so I decided I'm going to make it more fun. Put a little broccoli on it. Give it a little color. I think it's going to look good. Hey, that looks alright. Let's go to the oven. Doesn't matter which angle I present, it just gets more beautiful. Look at that. Look at that bottom. Amazing.
That pizza looks really good, right?
Yes.
And there's a flamingo right there.
Yes.
Confusing. Hello.
So we have a large 16-inch feta cheese pizza. It turned out amazing. And now, what are we going to do, Boogie? We're going to eat it? You're going to eat the pizza? You're going to eat this pizza. Check out the crust.
Hello. Which one's better?
The crust. This is called the crust.
That looks so fun like that.
See how it's crispy? That's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be nice and crispy. Touch it.
And look right here, broccoli.
Yeah. You want to touch the crust?
And you put cubes on the inside.
Yeah, cheese.
Hello.
So my kid lost my pizza cutter, so I had to cut this pizza with scissors. We'll see if the... Oh, good. Just a slice from the side. It's the same slice from the other side. And the slice from this side. Now we finally get to eat. Beautiful pizza. Look at that. Look at the slice. Look how good that came out. Look at the bottom of that pizza. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And this is in my kitchen oven, guys. This is not like a specialty pizza oven or nothing. Look at that. Out freaking standing. Broccoli goes so well with feta cheese. It's amazing. And you get the mellowness from the fresh mozzarella, and you get that kick from the feta cheese, and then the broccoli just blends in beautifully with both of them. Outstanding pizza. If you have time to make it from the scratch, make it. It's well worth the trouble. As always, great help from General Mills. All trumps, in my opinion, the best pizza flour you can buy for the home use. The only pizza flour that will give you the pizza taste that will rival your pizza place down the street from you. Another outstanding pizza. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.